I will show you a very, very small sensor, an accelerometer, which you can put into this kind of stick. It's so small, it's just 1 square millimeter. You can see it here, and it's like dust, yeah, so small. You can use it in every kind of device, and it's detecting movements. So if you are, for example, doing like this, yeah, it can detect the movement. It can detect whether you are in an Earth gravity field. It can detect the position of something, so it can do really a lot. And it also can detect step counting. So if you are walking along, then it also can detect this and all this kind of device. And inside the device you have a micromechanical element. It's based on silicon technology, it's using batch technology, and it has a so-called ASIC. Yeah, and this is doing the evaluation of the signal coming from the mechanical element. And it's transferring the mechanical movement into an electrical signal, first into an analog signal and then into a digital signal, and then it's shifted to whatever sent to certain devices. It's sent via Bluetooth, for example, from this device to the screen and all that kind of stuff. Now I'm doing a kind of game. I'm standing here under a loudspeaker and I have to steer. And it's detecting the movement, and if I do it not in the wrong way, now it's perfect. Now I have to be faster. Okay, much faster I have to do. Now I have to be slower. So it always gives you the kind of indication what if I'm doing the right movement. The BMA530, which is here on this device, it's a very, very small one. And we pair it now with different other sensors. And for example, we paired it with a pressure sensor. And the pressure sensor is the BMA580. And if you go to this one here, then you can see it's a signal. If you move the sensor top down, you can see the signal here. So you really can detect with the pressure sensor very fine movements towards the height using this pressure sensors. So the resolution is in the really low millimeter, centimeter range. And this is, for example, in an application, it's used in E911. If you want to detect where people are in a skyscraper and so on, for fire brigades, that's a typical application. Of course, you also can do gaming, and maybe Thomas, can you switch to this gaming mode? Okay, and now the task is, I have always to find those clouds. Yeah, and now I'm just, oh, I didn't do anything. So you can do really fine movements. You can use it also in games. So there are different kind of applications. This E911 use case, it's gaming. You can use it in navigation systems to plausibilize, let's say, if the GPS chip is not working anymore and things like that. There are a lot of applications. You can use it even in sports. If you're doing, let's say, sports, gymnastics, you can use the height difference to measure much better calorimetry, for example. So there are a lot of different use cases you can use the BMA580 for.